London Stansted Airport is London's third busiest airport, currently serving over 24 million passengers a year. BCN Group developed Radar, an easy-to-use, bespoke and tailored solution using SharePoint Online. By using Office 365, this would allow the flexibility to view the project information on any device at any time.
One of my roles was to bring together our entire portfolio of change, so all of the projects and programs that we've got underway, bringing them all together so that we had a single view of all the work end-to-end across the airport. We didn't have a system at all to do that before, so we didn't have an old system with old problems. We had no system.
The launch of Radar has enabled Stansted to gain ownership of the project information. It has given them the ability to view in real time all the project metrics that will allow them to make decisions about the future direction of the airport.
I think one of the great benefits that we've seen in using SharePoint is that it's accessible to everybody who needs to have access to it, to see the projects in real time and that real one version of the truth. It's just been really easy to take the basic product that we were looking to develop, but then work very much in order to be bespoke for what our needs are. It's a system that can be used by all. It's one that meets the needs of today and also of the future. We get an alignment through to our strategic objectives. We get to choose which projects are priorities over the other projects. It's just given us a management tool that we need.
Bespoke aspect of Radar is pretty good because what we're able to do is actually prioritise some of the projects which are keen interest to management, maybe ones that have a deadline coming up.
We have something that's actually very user-friendly. Quite often people can get lost in file structures, but the way they have it set up here is very straightforward and easy to navigate.
The strengths are certainly that you can update on the fly, so you're not kind of behind the curve. You're always giving them live information on the project.
With Radar now, we have that central repository. It allows us to run more effective meetings, and that's been a key improvement from where we were a year ago to where we are now.
So on one hand it's actually very powerful, but on the other hand it's very simple to use. I don't think that I've worked with a better supplier in a very, very long time of doing this sort of development work, so I'm really pleased.
We have been leading the way here at Stansted, but we've got 4 other airports in the group, and we want to make sure that we're able to have sight of all of our projects. Really, it's a case of now taking this to a much more strategic level and rolling it out across the group.